Ever ponder who would win in a dance-off between Hollywood's elite action stars? Well, the recent sickness premiere of The Accountant 2 might just give us a hint in. Before we dive into this tale of action, humor, and dance moves, remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you enjoy a good cinematic showdown. Picture this. The lights dim, a crowd hushes, and the screen comes to life with the latest exploits of Ben Affleck, an actor whose action chops are often unsung, but with the sequel to The Accountant on the horizon, that's about to change. The year is 2025, and audiences are gearing up for another adrenaline pumping performance from Affleck. At the SXSW debut, the air was buzzing with anticipation. The stars aligned on the red carpet with Affleck and Jon Bernthal leading the charge. The film rolled, and what followed was a blend of heart-stopping action and surprisingly line dancing. Yes, you heard that right. Line dancing. The Q&A session post-screening turned into a comedy routine when Affleck quipped about his character's dance prowess. With a twinkle in his eye, he teased that not even the legendary Tom Cruise could keep up with his character's fancy footwork. The crowd erupted in laughter as Affleck good-naturedly claimed victory in this unexpected dance duel. Let's set the record straight. While Affleck may have joked about his newfound dancing talent, it's clear he's been putting in the work. The dedication he's shown in mastering the art of line dancing is no small feat, and it's a testament to his commitment to the role. But when it comes to death-defying stunts, we all know Cruise has set the bar pretty high. As we eagerly await The Accountant 2, the trailer has already sparked conversations and theories. Speculation aside, one thing is certain. Affleck's return to the big screen is a reason to celebrate his portrayal of the stoic, skilled Chris is a masterclass in action heroism made possible by a team dedicated to authenticity and excellence. Now, let's not forget about Cruise, the man who has made a career out of pushing the envelope. From scaling the Burj Khalifa to holding his breath for an impossible length of time underwater, Cruise's stunts are the stuff of legend. And who could forget his iconic slide across the floor in socks and sunglasses. The man can dance, but can he line dance? That remains to be seen. Is in the world of action cinema, both Affleck and Cruise have proven their mettle. With The Accountant 2, Affleck is set to raise the bar even higher alongside the talented Jon Bernthal. The duo's on-screen chemistry is electric, and their upcoming adventure promises to be a wild ride. As the release date approaches, fans can revisit the original The Accountant on Prime Video to prepare for the sequel's arrival on April 25th. It's a film that deserves a spot in your watch list, not just for the action, but for the unexpected moments of humor and, of course, the dance moves. So as we wrap up this cinematic journey, let's not take ourselves too seriously. Uh, After all, if action stars can line dance, then anything is possible, right? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your popcorn ready and your dancing shoes handy.